Hi, good morning everyone. So after a good 7 hours of sleep, we are going out into the Vegas Strip and we're going to get a really nice breakfast buffet over at the Wynn Resort and Casino. Yeah, I don't gamble or drink, but definitely I love the food in Vegas. There's so many amazing things to eat. Pricey, but good. But yeah, so let's get going. So this is actually my first time coming into the Wynn Resort and Casino here on the Las Vegas Strip, and wow, it's definitely really beautiful in here. They have all these like things inside the Wynn, like a carousel, and they have like also like a forest of sorts. It reminds me a lot of like when you go into the Bellagio. The Bellagio has a lot of these kind of decorations inside its resort too. So as you guys know, we've been doing a lot of cruises lately, and I usually show you guys the buffet on each of our cruise ships. But yeah, no cruise today, but we are here at the Wynn Resort Buffet for breakfast. And wow, there's so many amazing things here, especially desserts. There's so many cakes, there's ice cream, there's even beautiful decorations inside the buffet as well. There's so many things, so many sweets to try. So if you love sweets, you'll definitely really enjoy this buffet a lot. There's so many to choose from. I don't think I can even eat all this. And honestly, it's morning, it's breakfast. I think it's a little sweet for me, but everything does look really, really good here. So here we got some cold cuts. Various cold cuts and various breads, so definitely a lot of variety of bread and cheeses if you guys like to eat that. Here's more savory items. They have a lot of savory items for breakfast here actually at this buffet. So honestly, it's kind of more like lunch than breakfast here. As you guys can see here, there's a lot of salads. A variety of salads, and you can build your own salad. They do have some beautiful fruits here, just like this watermelon flower. So yeah, you can make. You can also have pizza. You can make your own fruit salad. There's a lot of Mexican food here, also tamales and other varieties of things, tortillas. Yeah, a lot of savory kind of lunch dishes. Oh, here we have a pancake station. This is one of my favorite things here. So you actually decide what type of pancake you want him to make you of the choices, and he will make it fresh for you. I ended up having the really chocolatey one actually on the left side, and it was really, really good. I definitely really recommend getting the things from the pancake station. Here we have our more traditional breakfast items. Here's more bread. There was a big thing of scrambled eggs. Here are more savory things. There is bacon. There's bacon. There's sausage, a little more breakfasty. Here, not so breakfasty again. Yeah, this is pretty cool. He will cut you a roast. And here's various rotisserie items. So here's where the guy is making fresh omelets. So yeah, here we have an omelet station too. There's definitely a very wide variety of culinary things here. They even have Asian food. Egg drop soup and dim sum, various Chinese foods and various Asian things here. There's also sushi, though a lot of these things I wouldn't want in the morning for sure. I'm looking for more breakfasty items. Here are pictures of the food that I actually got from the buffet. As I said, I did get the very chocolatey pancake from the pancake station. I also got some pastries, chocolate croissant, and apple Danish. And like I said, they do have Asian food, which I was very excited for. And I did get a barbecue pork bun. I also went to the omelet making station and had them make me a ham and mushroom omelet. And also I got a creme brulee. And then some other desserts, a churro, and pudding, a kind of pudding dessert, and a donut. Yeah, I really don't eat that much, and there was like way too many things to choose from this buffet. I do hope someday maybe to return to this buffet again. Okay, so we just finished eating at the Wynn buffet. It was really good actually, very expensive, $45 per person. So almost like $100 for both of us, but it was definitely worth it. We really enjoyed it. There's definitely a lot of options to choose from, and everything that I had was really good, pretty much. Definitely lots of choices, lots of different foods. I definitely recommend coming for like lunch than breakfast though, because there's a lot of like lunch things, but like breakfast options not so much. So we are here at the Seven Magic Mountains, just outside of Las Vegas, about half an hour out. So today we are actually going to be driving from Las Vegas to LA, and we're going to be doing some pretty cool pit stops. Going to be seeing a bunch of different things on our road trip tour today. Stop number 1. Alright, our second stop is Terrible's gas station. So unfortunately Terrible's Hotel and Casino has closed as of at least a year now, so we could not go to the hotel and casino part, which is the pretty part to see. But there are a lot of interesting things here too at the gas station, like the James Bond car that I just showed you guys. There's this huge Bigfoot statue. There's a airplane prop to tell you where the bathrooms are. They have a lot of food to eat, a bunch of snacks. They even have like real food. Besides beef jerky, they have like pizza and some other things on the other side. Red Bull Energy Lounge, in shape of Red Bull can. So, fun stop. Need to stretch your legs or use the bathroom or get some food. It's a fun stop here. Oh, they have a White Castle now. Wasn't here before. I don't remember White Castle here before. But yeah, there's a White Castle now. So if you're craving White Castle and you forgot to get it in Vegas, or if you're starving and would like it before you get to Vegas, you can stop at Terrible's gas station and get White Castle. Okay, here we are at our third stop, Buffalo Bills Resort and Casino. As you guys can see, it has a roller coaster built into the casino here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so Buffalo Bills actually sits just on the border between Nevada and California. So after Buffalo Bills, we'll be in the state of California again. In the back of Buffalo Bills, just behind the casino area, looks like there used to be some kind of boat ride or some kind of attraction here, some kind of shooting game. Unfortunately, it's closed. I don't know how long it's been closed up, but pretty cool to see. I never knew they had that here. have the Bonnie and Clyde car. It's in the middle of the casino here. Here we are at our fourth stop in the city of Baker. We had the giant thermometer. It's very, very tall. Definitely the world's tallest thermometer. Yeah, so actually I know you guys can't really see it well, but it's not 40 degrees. It is 58 degrees. But yeah, definitely colder than usual. Usually when I come here, I'm used to it being almost all the way at the top. I'm used to it being like 100 degrees is what it reads, but no, it's actually kind of cold. 58 degrees today here in Baker. Also in Baker is the Alien Jerky place. Yeah, it's a very, very uniquely shaped building. Looks like a spaceship or a UFO. I came here once when I was a kid, and I definitely enjoyed coming here. It's very entertaining to see, and they have some good jerky too.
It's kind of fun, I mean.
So we came all this way. I'm definitely getting some jerky before we leave here to go to LA. But that actually is our last stop of our road trip from Vegas to LA. We're not that far from LA now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys next time. Bye.